Wooden gaming, laptop table. Ergonomic foldable bed stand, with tablet and cup holder slots. This versatile and ergonomic portable stand is perfect for various activities such as gaming, drawing, reading, working, and even enjoying breakfast on bed. Made from high-quality natural wood, this laptop table boasts eco-friendly craftsmanship and is available in multiple colors. Natural wood material, eco-friendly and durable with exquisite workmanship. Foldable and lightweight, easy to carry and store. Perfect for use on your bed, sofa, or couch. Built-in tablet and cup holder slots, convenient design for holding your tablet and drinks securely. Ergonomic design promotes better posture and reduces strain during use.